Hello! We are driving in the land. There is a lot of cows, mountains and rivers. I wanna live here. But mostly gang. Hello! Beautiful mountains over there. Wild jungle. Wild cats. We met some company over there. Oh my god, that's a skull. Skull of dead animal. Now we're back in the jungle. We crossed the river and we don't know what to expect. But we still keep going because we don't have any choice. Oh, I hear someone in jungle. We need to go a little bit faster. This one is pretty dangerous. Oh shit. We reached the waterfall. It's beautiful. Nico decided to do this way. He said it's easy as fuck. He wanna reach this one. She tried to climb the rocks.
Nico.
What? Oh, Колян! Колян! Держать! Держать!
What the hell?
Oh my god, we might film death of Nico for real. Let's go! Careful! Hey! Full dive. And now the main chef is cooking. Shrimp. They share shrimp with us. Oh my god, come on! Come on!
Прекрасные добрые люди дали нам пивка.
Каких только рыбок тут не водится в этом Вьетнаме. Поднимаемся. Going up. We going up, up, up. It's our moment. Gonna be golden. Gonna be golden. Whew, we did it.